Gold and silver are becoming increasingly popular as alternatives to bonds for retirement savings. For retirees, it's crucial to protect your wealth from inflation, market volatility, and economic uncertainty, and gold and silver provide a hedge that traditional bonds just can't offer. If you've been relying on bonds for a steady income in retirement, you might be noticing that they aren't performing as well as they used to. The bond market has been under pressure recently, and with interest rates rising, bond yields may not keep up with inflation, meaning your savings could lose value over time. Now, while bonds have their place, they're far from the only option for protecting your wealth. Enter gold and silver, two of the most time-tested forms of wealth preservation. Throughout history, they've proven to hold their value, especially in times of economic crisis or inflation. When stock markets tumble or interest rates rise, gold and silver have a unique ability to rise in value, giving you the opportunity to preserve your wealth or even grow it during uncertain times. And here's the key. Gold and silver are tangible assets, unlike bonds, which are subject to the volatility of the financial system. Now, you may be wondering, why should I consider gold IRAs specifically? The answer is simple. Gold IRAs offer a way to own physical gold and silver in a tax-advantaged account. Unlike stocks or bonds, physical precious metals are not tied to the performance of the market or interest rates, and this makes them an ideal option to safeguard your retirement savings. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, check out the first link in the description for your free guide. One of the major advantages of gold and silver in retirement is that they can act as a buffer against inflation. When the cost of living increases, the purchasing power of your cash or bonds decreases, but gold and silver have historically kept pace with or outpaced inflation. Think about it. When you rely on traditional bonds, you're at the mercy of fluctuating interest rates and the economy, but with gold and silver, you're protecting your wealth in a way that's more stable and reliable. It's also important to recognize that gold and silver are highly liquid. If you need to access your funds, you can sell your precious metals relatively quickly, unlike some other retirement assets that may require a more complicated process to liquidate. Plus, with a gold IRA, you get the added benefit of tax-deferred growth, meaning your gold and silver investments can grow without immediate tax liabilities. This makes them a powerful tool for growing and preserving wealth in retirement. Let's face it, we're all concerned about the future, especially when it comes to retirement. The stock market can be unpredictable, and bonds aren't offering the returns they once did. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, and especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, then a gold IRA could be a smart move for you. Not only are you securing your retirement funds with an asset that holds value, but you're also positioning yourself for potential growth in an unpredictable economic landscape. If you have a significant amount of wealth, say $5 or more in savings, a gold IRA can be an excellent way to diversify your holdings. By allocating some of your portfolio to gold and silver, you're not only protecting yourself from market fluctuations, but you're also taking advantage of a long-term wealth-building strategy that stood the test of time. So, if you're thinking about how to best protect your wealth and ensure your retirement is secure, a gold IRA should be a serious consideration. It's an option that thousands of Americans are turning to, and for good reason. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can safeguard your savings, click the link in the description for your free guide today. As a final thought, if you have over $100K in your IRA or 401K, or even more than $5 in savings, this strategy could make all the difference in securing your financial future. Don't wait until it's too late to make the move to gold. Make the smart decision today to protect your wealth with a gold IRA.